Good morning, everyone. I'm Robert Rickman, the San Joaquin County Supervisor for District 5. My area usually does cover Mountain House, Tracy, Rippon, and Escalon. So the entire South County is my district. And it's an honor to be back here today. I do spend a lot of time at the temple in Tracy off of Grant Line Road, and I've been doing it been there for over 10 years. And I just want to come here today and say thank you to you all, and thank you to the Sikh community. I know during this last 2 years with COVID, it's been tough on us all, and I've worked very, very, very hard with the Sikh community in Tracy, and it's because of the Sikh community in Tracy that we were able to roll out so many vaccines for South County. If it wasn't for the Sikh community, it would have been a lot harder to reach everybody in the community. So for that, thank you all. Hello. And I'm going to keep this short for today. I know this is just a great event to see folks coming not just from Stockton or San Joaquin County, but throughout the region. And, to come here as a community, to pray as a community, and to worship God as a community. To me, my faith, or faith, religion, is the foundation of what America is all about. And we're very fortunate to have a country that we can worship freely and pray freely anytime we want without the government telling us when, what, or who to pray for. So for that, I am eternally grateful. So again, thank you all very much for allowing me to be here. It's truly an honor. God bless you, and God bless all your families.